The lamp of hope that kept burning in the darkness, the same name is still alive in the hearts. Nawaz Sharif had a dream of service. Today that dream is becoming a reality in the hands. Friends, whenever Nawaz Sharif's government comes, Pakistan gets progress in one way or the other, be it motorways, orange line train or a clean Punjab. Nawaz Sharif has always shown more by doing more than talking. But despite this, what do? We curse him, call him a traitor. Should we really say that? We need a leader who stands for the development of Pakistan at all times, who not only makes promises but also fulfills them. And the person to whom Allah has given this courage, this thinking and this success is Nawaz Sharif. This is the leader who does not just say but shows by doing. I still remember when the government was formed in Punjab and a video came out in which it was said during a site visit that a cancer hospital will be built here. At that time, many people considered it just an announcement, but today that announcement seems to be becoming a reality. The Nawaz Sharif Institute of Cancer Treatment and Research is being rapidly completed on an area of about 350 canals near Pine Avenue Road, Lake City and Valencia town in Lahore. People who pass by this route every day have seen the progress of this project with their own eyes. Today, a strong superstructure stands there which clearly indicates that this is a state-of-the-art cancer hospital and research center. The first phase of this hospital has been completed and the OPD is going to be functional. This is not just a hospital but a complete treatment and research center. There will be more than 900 beds here, modern operation theaters, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, ICU, emergency and bone marrow transplant facilities. The world's most advanced machinery is being installed here. The most important thing is that this hospital is not for the rich but for the common and poor man. Whether the patient is from Punjab or any other corner of Pakistan, those who cannot afford treatment will be provided with the best treatment here for free or at a very low cost. This is the revolution that was talked about, and today that revolution is visible on the ground. Not just one hospital but many big projects were completed during Nawaz Sharif's tenure. A network of motorways was laid, the Orange Line train was built and today lab tests are being done free of cost in government hospitals of Punjab. Medicines are being provided free of cost. Clear instructions have been given that if a doctor prescribes foreign medicine or asks the patient for money, then a complaint should be filed. All this proves that the center of Nawaz Sharif's politics is the welfare of the people. He does not just make promises, he turns promises into reality. Differences have their place, but whoever stands for the country works for the people. We should not criticize him, but look at his work. In the end, it can be said that Nawaz Sharif is not just a name but a symbol of Pakistan's progress, service and hope. And it is the responsibility of all of us to value such people. Salam Pakistan.